Hey, Mike Callahan here. Just got back home from the ASCA Snow Show, sponsored by ASCA and Snow Magazine. And one of the hottest topics over the last 2 days at that conference with the top 100 snow removal companies in the whole entire country, US and Canada, was replacing employees with high production equipment. So my question to you today is, are we following suit with some of the leaders in the snow removal industry as well as lawn care industry in investing in equipment that is higher production, made at a higher ticket price, but allow us to reduce our labor force and have more productive, more predictable outcomes on the work we perform? So one of the biggest trends right now that we saw at the ASCA Snow Show that I spoke at and did a panel discussion with the top 100 companies in the whole entire country in Canada, so pretty much across all of North America, the hottest trend right now, given the labor crisis that we are involved in, no matter the service industry, whether it's lawn care, snow removal, home cleaning, pest control, we're all dealing with the same labor problems. And one of the biggest shifts right now is the investment in technology and AI, artificial intelligence, to basically alleviate some of the manual labor that we need. Some of the pieces of equipment that were at the snow show, very similar equipment that's coming out in lawn care as well. Not exactly positive in home cleaning yet, but I can definitely tell you that in snow removal, they have completely automated sidewalk removal equipment now, just like the automated lawnmowers we have in the lawn care industry, as well as higher production based equipment like Ventrac. Western had a snow basically plowing / brush that looked phenomenal, amongst other things. So question to you, drop your comments below. I'm curious, going into the second half of this year, whether it's your lawn care, home cleaning, or snow removal company, are you going out and investing money in higher production equipment to replace your field labor to have more productive outcomes? Want to say what's up to David, Keith, Stephanie, and Thomas as well. So more of a question going out, because it seems to be the shift after we just got back from the ASCA Snow Removal Conference, that most companies are going out and buying higher ticket price items to replace their labor and have better production and better predictability. So this is something we always did at Callahan's Lawn Care, invested in the latest and greatest equipment and technology to create predictable results with less labor and higher margins. So drop your comments below if this is in your game plan. Also, huge announcement, it is official. I'll be dropping some links. Lawn and Landscape Magazine is going to have their technology conference, first annual, Orlando, Florida, in the middle of February. I'm going to be doing at least an hour talk on, and actually I'm on the advisory board. And Service Autopilot SA6, going to be doing a live talk with Chris Volpe. Nothing wrong with live video here. But Chris Volpe and I at SA6 will be going live to show you what a fully built out SA instance looks like. So make sure you catch the free show that we're doing. If you there's a few spots left the day before SA6, and then Chris Volpe and I are going to take the main stage at SA6, showing you what a fully set up and trained Service Autopilot account looks for lawn care, snow removal, and yes, home cleaning. We're going to break it down across 3 industries to show you how to do the actual production rate based estimating on each industry. And we've had some massive breakthroughs if you're in the home cleaning industry, how to actually set this up in SA. We're able to base it on square footage, a range of square footage with small, medium, and large, say bathrooms, bedrooms, or we can actually base it on square footage with a high and low range for your deep clean top to bottom, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, move in and move out, and we can't forget after construction as well. So looking forward to seeing it before SA6, at SA6, and the Lawn and Landscape Magazine first annual tech conference in the middle of February, where I'll be on stage just dropping some knowledge about the newest and greatest technology and how to implement them in your service business. So drop comments below. Are you investing in technology to replace some of your field labor for better production and more standard labor force?